What's going on, YouTube? I'm Justin, and today is a special day. Forget everything you know about classic sports cars. The wait is finally over. The icon has returned. I'm talking about the machine that is redefined, re-engineered, the all-new 2026 Austin Healey Next Generation. And let me tell you, it's not just a car, it's an experience. Let's go. Just look at this thing. When you think of a Healey, you think of a soul, and this new design captures every ounce of it. They didn't just copy the past, they electrified it. We're talking next-gen LED halo rings in these updated headlights, and look at this massive, modernized mesh grille. It says, "I'm classic, but also I can eat a Porsche 911 for breakfast." It's aggressive but sophisticated. But the real magic happens at the back. It still has that classic rounded big Healey tail, but with a full-width LED light bar that looks absolutely incredible at night. And you can't miss those dual carbon tip exhaust pipes. That isn't just for show, folks. That's the voice of power. From the side, the proportions are perfect. It's got that long hood and short deck, the iconic chrome wire wheels, and look at this green. It's British racing green on steroids. This car belongs right here in this perfect countryside. It just looks right, it is right. Now let's take a look at where you'll spend your time. This interior is exquisite. It's a complete revolution. Look at this diamond quilted caramel leather. Every surface is premium. And they didn't forget the heritage. We've got real walnut wood veneer across the dashboard. And look at this cluster. You get classic analog style gauges, but with integrated digital displays. It's a perfect blend. But my favorite part? This isn't some digital tablet. This is a real manual style shifter. You feel connected to this car. When you grip this leather steering wheel and look at the road, you just know you're in for a drive. All right, enough looking, let's talk about what makes this thing move. The 2026 Austin Healey Next Generation is powered by, are you ready? A 4.0 twin-turbo V8. We're talking 650 horsepower. Forget everything you knew about classic horsepower numbers. This is a modern beast. 0 to 60 is in the sub-3-second range. It is blisteringly fast. And they're targeting competitors like the Jaguar F-Type and the Aston Martin Vantage. This is the new British standard. But what's the price for all this next-gen perfection?
It's going to start right around the $125,000 mark. And when you compare it to the competition, it's a bargain for this level of performance and style. It's an incredible package. So, is the 2026 Austin Healey Next Generation the new king of the modern classic? From what I'm seeing today, the answer is a resounding yes. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below. Is this the comeback of the century? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell for notifications. You do not want to miss the full driving review coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.